Hello folks, Ernie V here. Just want to go through a video here real quick on how to spot fake video proofs. There's a lot of this going on. A lot of people are getting misled, so I wanted you to be aware of this. Everybody knows images can be manipulated. Anybody can put them on Photoshop and make them do anything you want, and so they kind of take those with a grain of salt. Video, however, people believe that's hard to fake video on a live web page, and so they tend to believe that. But you better be careful because it's not always what it seems. I want to show you how this is done, not so you can do it, but so you can spot it and so you can protect yourself. So this is how it's done. Okay, here's a ClickBank account that I'm logged into live, and you can see you go from page to page, and you can see the page load. Okay, so you know you're at a page in this video that is live. Okay, the way you change it, the way you manipulate it, is get you a little piece of code here. It's just Java code. Any uh, programmer knows about this. A lot of internet marketing people know about it, but you just put in that code, hit refresh, and now you can edit this page or any other page. Okay, $3,765 that week. 4,577 that week, and so on. You can even manipulate the graphs down here. Okay, put the number here, 5,678. Anyway, you get the idea. So you can manipulate this page and make it look like anything you want to, and people know how to do this. So if you see this on a video and you're believing it, you're going to be in a lot of trouble. So I wanted to show you this because there's a lot of people out there that know about it. That's average programming knowledge to do this. So you need to be aware of it because a lot of people will believe this, and you need to be. I'm not saying kick it to the curb automatically. I'm just saying do more research, and I'm going to show you some tips now on how you can spot this, so you'll know. And then you can do further homework, or you can discard it immediately. Whatever you want to do, you can make your decision at least from honest information and not from a fake video proof. Okay, here we go. Spotting fake video proofs, tip number one. Check the browser field for a valid URL and not some Java code or JavaScript or anything else. Make sure as much as you can that it's a valid URL in the browser window. Okay, now I'm going to show you about the URL. Every page has the URL, of course, right up here, and so you want to make sure that it's a valid URL, HTTPS for a secure site, and then you see the structure there. And that's a real page. Now, if you see some Java code or anything that doesn't look right, then that's a warning that you may have a fake video proof here. Okay, spotting fake video proofs. Tip number two. Check to see if the user is clicking on other links on the page. If they're using a fake page and they're showing a fake page, they will not be able to click on other links. The links won't work. So if they're clicking on other links and you can see the pages loading as they go back and forth, then you know that it is indeed probably real and probably not fake. Okay, so let me show you how this works in action. Okay, so if it's a fake page or if it's a page being edited, the people will not be able to click on any of the links, okay, because they won't work. So make sure that you see the person clicking, okay. And we go back to home, and you can see the page load. Okay, that's a tip, a pretty good tip that it's probably a real video. So you want to make sure that their pages are loading, things are happening, and they can do it, and then uh, that it's a real page. Okay, and spotting fake video proofs tip number 3. Whenever possible, ask for proofs that you can check, that you can verify. If they're not willing to give you those or don't have anything, it's another red flag. Again, it doesn't mean that the product is worthless, but it does mean you need to do further checking. And some proofs for this one, some proofs will not be like they're not going to give you their ClickBank password. They're not going to give you their PayPal password where you can go in and check. That's just not going to happen. But for example, I'm an SEO freelancer, and sometimes I will do proof videos on showing how I got a certain website to page 1 of Google. Okay, so I tell them, okay, here's the site, and it's going to be in the number 5 position on page 1. Well, they can go check that. All they got to do is go to google.com. They can type it in, and boom, there it is. It's verifiable. So whenever that kind of thing is available, you always want to take advantage of it. So with these 3 tips, you should be able to spot a fake video and act accordingly. So I recommend that you use these tips when you're thinking about purchasing a product on the internet. Look at the quality of the product. You can tell if it's legitimate or not. Make sure the top of the browser is visible at some point in the video proofs and that they're clicking around. And if you see these things, spot these things, these red flags, then you may want to avoid purchasing that product, at least for a while, until you see it's out on the market and everybody's, saying, yeah, it does work, it's a good product. And then do it like that. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any questions about this topic or any other search engine optimization or search engine marketing or internet marketing question, you can go over to my website, erniev.com. Okay, when you get over here, you see you can ask any question you want, anything about search engine marketing, internet marketing, anything you want. I'll be happy to answer your question about pretty much anything related to the internet. Then you can search through the recently answered question. There's some featured questions down here, some ebooks, some link building ebooks, SEO ebooks, really good stuff for you there. Just go by and pick them up, ask any question you have, and I'll be more than happy to answer it. Okay, thanks again. Bye bye.